Welcome to 282 St Barnabe St, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. We have a 3-bedroom, 1-bath bungalow. Come on inside, I'll show you around. The living room. Updated kitchen. Full bath. Storage. First bedroom. Overlooking this yard at a vacant lot next door. This is the access to the attic right there, where there's actually abandoned living spaces up there from a prior original design. Bedroom number 2, closet, bay window. Ample closet space. Come on down to the basement, I'll show you downstairs. Finished basement. Ample storage all along the perimeter. He left the space behind the walls for mechanicals to be hidden away. Washer and dryer included. On-demand hot water. Again, there's that space behind the walls for access to the mechanicals. Furnace, all updated. Walk out to the back. Storage under the deck. Central air.